In the village of Nong Talar, land ownership has traditionally been regulated by a customary tenure system, with the community sharing in local resources. But last month's deadline to register for permits has come and gone, leaving many locals wondering where they stand on ownership rights. Imposing Burmese-regulated laws and penalties in ethnic areas that are still negotiating a ceasefire could create more conflict, says local rights activists.
The real problem is that the armed group organizations also have their own administration, and at the same time, the government is using this vacant Fallow land management law to expand the administration into the armed organizations' territories.
Land confiscation is common in the conflict areas, and the added complication of filing legal documents heightens the problem for small-scale farmers who lack formal land titles. Massive agribusinesses, aided by armed groups on both sides of the fighting, have laid claim to much of the abandoned land.
The local army, they forced me to sell them the land. They came to me with the money and handed 10,000 kyat to me and said, "You're going to sell the land to us or not. If you don't sell it to us, we'll take the money back." Then they left us with the money. We can't do anything.
As more refugees return home, finding legal resettlement areas is a growing problem, especially in the national government-controlled regions. And for those who have already resettled without official documentation, the risk of facing future legal battles against big businesses is a concern.
I do not have any hope or expect any miracle. I have no idea what I should be doing. If I am not around in the future, I will pass the land on to my daughter. Can I do that? I don't understand about the law.
Steve Sandford for VOA News in Karen State, Myanmar.